The all-new D-Max will be available in 3 cabin types across 4 model variants, starting with the Workhorse SX range, seen here as a single cab. Next, LSM in crew cab only, followed by LSU range, seen here as a space cab. And then the new top-of-the-range crew cab X-Terrain. Now, there's plenty to see, so let's take a look together at some of the key highlights. Isuzu have listened to Australian customers' feedback and are thrilled to announce that the new 3-litre Ford JJ3 TCX turbo diesel engine will power this latest generation of D-Max. Now featuring 140 kilowatts of power and 450 newton meters of torque at 1600 RPM and paired with a 6-speed transmission. More importantly, there is more usable torque with 400 newton meters available from only 1400 RPM through to just over 3000 RPM. A torque band engineered for towing up to 3.5 tonnes and hauling loads. Engine noise, vibration and harshness has also been improved, with new injectors tuned for greater durability and fitted with a new, more durable timing gear set that reduces noise and vibrations. Compared to the previous generation, this engine is as quiet as they come. Let's hear it using the new, pretty cool remote engine start feature. Engine power is now transferred to the road with a more efficient and faster shifting gearbox. For 4-drive models, a solid and lighter one-piece aluminium tail shaft connects to the rear differential, which is now fitted with an electromagnetic diff lock for constant traction when off-roading. On the topic of off-roading, Isuzu engineers have cleverly engineered the engine air intake system based on Australian feedback, which has increased the D-Max's wading depth up to 800 millimetres. All this brawn is complemented with the brains to match, all thanks to Isuzu's Intelligent Driver Assistance System, dubbed IDAS, which comes standard across the range. Some of these active safety features include adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go traffic functionality, forward collision warning and autonomous emergency braking that is able to recognise not only vehicles in front but also pedestrians and cyclists thanks to a 3D imaging stereo camera. Isuzu have certainly thought this system through, pioneering this innovative technology for the first time in the Australian D-Max, developed to ensure it meets the extremely high safety standards here in Australia. Now, this system is designed to work seamlessly with frontal protection, such as bull bars and nudge bars, which Isuzu will have available for the new D-Max range. With a bold new look and refined styling that is unmistakably Isuzu, the D-Max will have some serious wow factor on the road, especially this flagship X-Terrain model, which comes standard with an aero sports bar, roller tonneau cover, fender flares and unique spoilers to the front and rear. This bold design continues throughout the interior of the X-Terrain, a mix of dark and piano black finishes, topped off with perforated leather accented seats. They say the majority of Aussies spend up to 3 hours driving each day. And I, for one, wouldn't mind doing that from here, as the all-new D-Max interior has more creature comforts than ever before. Whether it's a single cab, space cab or crew cab, each D-Max cabin is laid out to be functional and comfortable with premium materials used throughout. And at the heart of the dash in the top spec models is an impressive 9-inch display as seen here. The entry models get a 7-inch display, all however feature Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and DAB+ radio across the range. The instruments and switches are laid out clearly and conveniently, such as this clean-looking dual-zone climate control for the front row and AC vents in the back, standard across all crew cab models. The drive is kept up to date with vehicle systems via a new 4.2-inch multi-information display, which is customisable.